So the platform we're going to be using is the HackMyVM.eu website. Let me just log in. And if you want to participate yourself, this is actually it's very easy to follow along with us. And let me just get the link for everybody over here. So if you want to follow along yourself, what you're going to need to do is you're just going to need access to a to some Linux, and you're going to log into this log into the challenges using the SSH client. So with the SSH client, you're going to connect to this host on this port with this username and this password over here. So let me get my notes, and then we can begin. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our Kali Linux machine to connect to the server here. So we're going to do SSH as the hacker user, and we're going to log into, let's see, venus.hackmyvm.eu, and I think the port is 5000. So this is the command you want to give if you want to connect to the CTF lab and join in with us. And I'm providing it to everybody in the chat. Okay, so let's run the command. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? The answer is yes. Okay, it's going to ask for the password. So remember that the password in this case is have fun ! So it's going to be have fun ! Okay, so this is the very first level of the Venus Labs from hackmyvm.eu. So we're going to see here that there is a mission.txt file and a readme.txt file. So if we read the readme.txt file, it's going to explain the what's going on for this particular CTF lab. So hello Hackser, this is the welcome to the HMV lab chapter 1, Venus. This is a CTF for beginners where you can practice with your skills with Linux and CTF. So let's start. First of all, the home for each user is in the pwned user, and in it you will find a file called mission.txt, which will contain the mission to complete to get the password of the next user. It will also contain the flags.txt file, which if you're registered on this website over here, you can enter to participate in the ranking, which is optional. For a bit of improvisation, there are secret levels in hidden flags. You will not have write permissions in most folders, so if you need to write a script or something, use the temp folder. Keep in mind that it is frequently deleted. At last and not least, some users can modify the files that are in the folder /www. These files are accessible from venus.hmv.eu. So if you get a user that can modify the file, for example, www/hi.txt, you can put a message in it and it will be reflected in this URL right here. If you have questions or ideas and you want to comment or anything else, you can join us in our Discord over here. There's a Discord address. Remember, there are more people playing, so be respectful, hack, and fun. Okay. All right, so let's get started. So in this level 0, we are the hacker user. And what we need to do is we need to read the mission.txt file to see what the goal is for the level. So we just do cat mission.txt. And it says user Sophia has saved her password in a hidden file in this folder. Find it and log in as Sophia. And the way you access hidden files in Linux is by using the ls command, but we have to add the -a to see all of the files, including hidden files. So if we do this, we see that there are a number of different hidden files. And in Linux, if a file starts with a dot, that means it's a hidden file. So .bashlogOut, .bashrc, .myhiddenpass, .profile, these are all hidden files. because the file names start with the dot. So an interesting thing is that we've got this triple dot directory in here. So if we actually enter that directory, actually it's not a directory. So the triple dot it's just a file. So what happens if we read it? So we can read the hidden file by doing cat and then the name of the hidden file. In this case, it's triple dot. And we've got a flag. So we got a flag for this level. It's this is very mature, of course, and but the file we actually want to access is the .myHiddenPaths file over here. So we're just going to read that file .myHiddenPaths. So inside the hidden file here, myHiddenPaths is the password for the next level. So this is going to be the password for the next user, which is the Sophia user. So we're going to copy this password. Okay, so that was level 1. That was level 1 of the Venus Labs from HackMyVM.eu. So before we go on to the next level, let's do a little post-action report. So the target user for the level is the Sophia user. And the method of solving, read the hidden file, and the key command in this case is going to be lsla. Okay, so this was how we solved this level. Okay, everybody, so that was the from the HackMyVM.eu Venus Labs. If you like this walkthrough video, please click on like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.